Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Beats headphones to your Xbox One console. You cannot directly pair them via Bluetooth, as the Xbox One does not natively support that feature for headsets. Instead, you will need to use alternative methods to get your audio working efficiently. We will cover a simple wired connection using the controller, and then explore an option for a wireless adapter solution. The Xbox One utilizes a specific wireless protocol, which is distinct from the common Bluetooth technology found in your Beats headphones. This proprietary system ensures low latency and reliable connections for Xbox-specific accessories, such as controllers and official headsets. It is designed this way, so the console simply cannot recognize or connect to standard Bluetooth audio devices directly. This distinction is crucial to understand. For the most straightforward solution, simply connect your Beats headphones directly to your Xbox One controller using a standard 3.5mm audio cable. Most Xbox One controllers, especially the newer versions, feature this audio jack conveniently located at the bottom. This method works immediately, providing clear game sound without any additional setup or adapters, ensuring consistent audio. If you prefer a wireless experience, consider using a third-party Bluetooth transmitter or adapter. You would plug this small device into your controller's 3.5mm audio jack, effectively giving your controller Bluetooth capabilities. Then, you simply pair your Beats headphones directly with this new adapter, allowing you to enjoy wireless audio from a comfortable distance, typically up to 30 feet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.